Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to share a Dollar Tree haul that hubby and I got yesterday. I'm gonna start with my trunk or treat items. Now, Nick and I do trunk or treat for our school. We have a fall festival, and at the fall festival there's a bunch of teachers and volunteers that decorate their trunks, and then we have a safe trick-or-treat for the kids. So we decided this year we're doing a graveyard scene, and I got 2 of the black plastic tablecloth covers because they're going to go inside my trunk just to cover the whole trunk area and make it look dark. So we picked up 2 because we weren't sure really how big the trunk was and what we were going to need. So we picked up 2 of these, and I'll definitely take photographs or do a video to share with you guys what the trunk or treat looks like in case, maybe you need some ideas for yours. And then I was going to get the white cobwebs, but they only had the neon colors and black left over. So I thought, what the heck. I picked up the black ones. 2 bags of those. And then this is kind of a joke, but not really. My husband said, I'm going to be One-Eyed Willie, because they were talking about, his team was talking about doing the, oh my gosh, I can't remember, the Goonies for trunk or treat. So he's like, in case they want to do that, he bought this kid's pirate mask, which it looks like it looks really funny on him because his face is so big and this mask is really small on him. And then he got this because there's an eye patch so that he could be One-Eyed Willie. I don't think it's gonna happen, but for $2 you couldn't go wrong with that, so we thought it would be fun as a little joke for the teachers. And then we got these creepy creatures. They're supposed to glow in the dark, so we're gonna put those all over the tombstones. And then we also found these plastic skeleton hands, so I picked up 4 of those. I thought they would be fun to put throughout the graveyard scene. So we'll see how it goes. He's currently working on the tombstones we have a bunch of them already at work that he cut them out, painted them, and we're going to work on the one that's going to fit over our trunk, which is a much larger one here at home, because we have all these leftover cardboard boxes from moving, so it worked out perfect. And then I picked up 2 of these really pretty gold picture frames because I'm going to be doing something for my the hop that I'm participating in. I'm sure you've seen the advertisement in the previous video. So I have those is coming up. That's for a craft fair idea. I picked up a bag of leaves, 50 count leaves. That's also for the craft fair idea. And then I picked up, I'm not going to pull them out completely because they're loaded with glitter, but I picked up a bunch of these, alright, I'll pull one out, a bunch of these stems. They only had orange and purple left, and I picked up the orange because I figured I could use them for fall or Halloween in my arrangements that I'm going to be doing for next year's craft fair. So for $1 I couldn't go wrong because these things are super expensive in the craft stores, all these picks. So they did have one black one left, but it was broken. So I was kind of bummed, but I picked up what I could. And I will probably go back midweek to a different Dollar Tree and see what they have. There's a lot of Dollar Trees in my area, so I tend to go from Dollar Tree to Dollar Tree to Dollar Tree to just because a lot of them do have to carry different items. This one also carried this jute twine. Now I found this in the aisle where they sell the car cleaners, the car air fresheners. Not sure why it was in there, but it's from Tool Bench Hardware, so I'm figuring that's why they put it in that section. But there's green and then the natural jute color. So I thought 3 rolls of this for $1, that was an amazing deal. We picked up light bulbs because we thought these would fit the chandelier in our ceiling fan, and they don't. But I decided I'm going to make Christmas tree ornaments out of them. So I'll be back to share that with you, of course. I picked up these tea lights. You get 2 in a pack for $1. This is also for a craft fair item that I'm going to share with you. I picked up 2 sets of the 20 count purple lights. They're 5 feet long. This is also for another craft fair idea that I'm going to share with you guys. And let me put this aside. I picked up 4 of these mason jar with the tea light holder on the inside. Just unscrews like this. Okay. I picked up 4 because I have an idea, a Pinteresting idea that I'm going to share with you for a craft fair idea. I picked up 2 of these glass bowls. This is also for another craft fair idea. And I only picked up 2 because I wasn't sure about the size. But when I show you my next haul video with things that I picked up from Joann's, I'm going to show you why I was worried about the size, but it looks like it's going to be perfect. So I'm definitely going to go back and pick up more of these. And then my husband found these, and we came up with a few gift ideas and craft fair ideas in the Dollar Tree together. And for $1, I mean, these are amazing. These are seal tight, awesome jars. And we picked up a couple fillers for them, and I'll be sharing them in my craft fair hop. But we have some cat treats, we have some dog treats, and we have some human treats that we're going to be decorating these jars. So we actually picked up 7 of these because we're going to use them for gifts as well. And I don't know, we're just kind of obsessed with them. We thought they were pretty awesome for $1. And I think that's it for my Dollar Tree haul today. I will be back to share with you my Joann's and small dollar Target dollar spot haul in just a second. Thanks for watching.